Welcome to another edition of the Thunderdome. Well, now, part 3 and the last part of my bird collections. These are all mixed mints. There's some coins and a couple of rounds in them. So I'm going to start with put my reading glasses on. I put them on like a fool. Just bear with me, folks. I do this raw. I'm not editing. Should have done this before. Yes, I know. Anyway, back to it. These are the Royal Canadian Mint. Don't ask me what bird it is. I think it's some sort of falcon. I used to know what they were, but I have no idea anymore. It's 2015. Well, I'm not going to call her the boss anymore, seeing as I've handed over to my apprentice, Creative Precious Metals. Well, there you go. That's the first Canadian one. The second one, I think, is a bald eagle. And all you Canadians out there can correct me if I'm wrong. Focus, you damn thing. 2017. I think this is another falcon, but I may be wrong. I don't, like I say, I knew what it used to be. That one's got a milk spot on the wing. God damn. Damn milk spot. Well, I know how to get rid of those. That's 2014. Fucking milk spot. And the last one of the Canadian Mint is an owl. Very relevant to me. If you know why, leave a comment. If you guess correctly, you get a Brucey bonus. If you're not from the UK, you'll know what that. You'll not know what, and you've got to be a certain age to know what a Brucey bonus is. $5. 2015. I think it's a Tony L, but don't. God, has that got milk spot on it as well? Don't think so. Anyway, that's the Canadian Mint ones. Right, these are a private mint, and I forgot the name who made them. I've got the certificates of authenticity, but they're not with me. I can't find them. I know roughly where they are. Well, these are 3 owls, and these are antiqued. Not a coin, it's a round. I know this mint, or however you would call it, has done some more. That's really cool, that wolf, isn't it? And the owls. The antique version is really cool. And I've got a proof coloured one as well of the same one. There you go. And yes, like an absolute twat, I dropped it and I got a ding in it when I bought it. But I'm not going to sell these anyway. They're really cool. And there's the wolf. I don't know. Look, I think he looks better on the antique one. Anyway, you tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to move on now to the puffin. Come on. There we go. £5. Oops. 2019. That's quick because I'm running out of storage. I'm going to have to shoot through these guys. I know these are not technically birds, but they're penguins. Chatham Island crested penguin. 2020. I'm going to have to really shoot through these now because the storage is not good. More penguins. Emperor penguin. I think this is the same. 2022. Are they the same mint? Royal Australian mint. No, they're New Zealand mint. There you go. Here's another owl. Australian masked owl. $5. Toukaloo. What year was it? 2022. This is a really nice one. Golden eagle. Look at that. Samoa 2023. Bird of paradise. Papua New Guinea. Wanakina. Might not be pronouncing that right. Here's another bird of paradise. I think these are Papua New Guinea as well. Yes, Papua New Guinea. And this is another golden eagle. But this is done. It's for Malta, but it's done by the Germania Mint. And it has a value of God, €5. There you go. I don't know what's up with this camera today. It's playing up. There's another one. My eyes are awful. I think this is Hera with her owl. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Is that in the way? Yeah, that's pretty cool. 2022. And last, but not least, is another eagle. World Wildlife. Bald eagle. Now who did this one? Dominique Congo, di Congo, which means Congo, the Republic of Congo. There you go, translation. And I found them at last. Actually, we're sending a few of these out. We've got PO boxes on their YouTube channels. This is my logo. I don't have stickers. I have chips. I'm going to change my logo soon, but this was my original one. So if you want one, let me know. Drop me an email. My email is all in lowercase, the.fudge.sh@gmail.com. So if you want one, no matter where you are in the world, drop me a line. I've only got a few left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got about 15 left. So if you want one, drop me a line and I'll send you one. Anyway, have a nice day. Like, share, subscribe. And as Creative Precious Metals would say,